Long, long ago, there was a rice farmer in ancient China who had a very impatient son.
爸爸，看，你的苗已经出土了，可是为什么还这么矮呢？我来量一量它们有多高了。哦，还是挺矮的，长得太慢了，怎么办？
别着急，它们会自己慢慢长的。
等不及了。
The next day, the son went to check on his father's crops again.
爷，我们家的苗怎么还是这么矮呢？怎么长得这么慢？怎么样才能让它们长快一点？
The impatient son measured the crops every day and was disappointed by how slowly the plants were growing. One night, he returned home feeling very frustrated and complained to his father about the plants.
爸爸，你今年种的苗长得比以前慢，我不知道怎么办。
儿子，你要有耐心，别急。
That night, the impatient son could not stop thinking about the slow-growing crops. He wanted to make the plants grow faster.
如果苗长得太慢了，那我就把它们拔起来，高了一点。
Pleased with his plan, the son rose bright and early the next morning and eagerly went to his father's fields to implement his new plan.
喂，你在做什么啊？
我觉得苗长得太慢了，所以我就把每一棵苗拔出来一点，这样它们就看起来高了一些，聪明，对吧？
自己历史。
The son cheerfully finished pulling up every rice plant in his paddy, and thinking that his father would praise him, went home for the day. Later that week, the son, wanting to show his father how much his crops had grown, brought him to the field.
哎呦，我们的苗就死了，怎么搞的？
你看，你的儿子没有耐性，把你的苗全都挖出来了。他们现在都死了，你们现在什么都没有。你的儿子不应该那么没有耐性。
我今天得到了一个教训，以后我不会着急，因为着急有时候会有相反的作用。
对了，儿子，做事不能着急，要不然有相反的效果。
This story led to the creation of the Chinese proverb 拔苗助长, which means don't be impatient because taking shortcuts can cause more trouble than it saves.